Essa mina é perigo.
Essa mina é perigo. Essa mina é perigo. Essa mina é perigo. Essa mina é perigo. Essa mina é perigo. Essa mina é perigo.
Essa mina é perigo.
So the Japfest day starts here for me. Barbecue at the family's house. Nice little feast going on. And of course the weather is absolutely banging as well. It's amazing to have good weather on a bank holiday. The car's loaded up down the side and I'm ready to go. So once we finish food here, we'll go and drop the car off at Silverstone, and yeah, then we'll be all set up, home, sleep, up early tomorrow, and then yeah, Japfest it will be. So let's go and drop the car off. So barbecue was awesome. This weather is just amazing. I really hope it stays for a while. So tomorrow is looking to be an awesome day. Sunshine again. So yeah, definitely looking forward to getting out on the track and creating some smoke clouds. Absolutely perfect weather. Perfect even. So yeah, 5-10 minutes and then we'll be at Silverstone and we'll be unloaded. Hopefully we'll meet Stuart there and get unloaded and get set up together. And you see my face. Alright, so we're all set up and unloaded. As you can see, Stuart has been taking his sweet time, but he's just arrived, as has everybody else pretty much. Apparently Stuart got pulled by the police. Rumour has it. Not bad, yourself?
You video me, innit?
I am. So what did Stu do then? What's he done?
We got pulled in the back.
And fucking, and it was only one set of lights working.
No?
No, don't know if I can say on camera.
Alright.
Not allowed.
It's like that. Alright, we can't say on camera, but Stu will tell us, and I'll put it in the description down below.
See how shiny it is?
It is shiny actually.
Brad done it. There you go.
Fair play. Proper seeing too. Alright, so we're here, all set up, ready to go out for the drifting. Stuart's car, as you can see, is ready, it's running, it's about to go out. Empty space where my car's supposed to be. That's because it's over on the guru stand, and I'm going to go and get it now, set the GoPro up, and we'll be ready to go out. So yeah, the weather is perfect. And yeah, probably going to end up getting sunburned today, but yeah, hopefully not. Try and get the sun cream on and try not to cook in the cars. As you can see, Stuart's car is all warmed up. It's got like 71 degrees water temps already, and it's only just started it up. So yeah, it's going to get really hot on track. But I'm going to go and put a GoPro in the car now and get some record some footage for you guys and girls. Yeah, and we'll see what it's like out on track. So that was the first session. Decided to take a break for the next session because the water temps are getting really high, and we're going to go and do a bit of watching, which makes a change. It's quite rare to actually go watch drifting instead of taking part in it. So we'll try
wait for me, camera buddy.
We'll try and catch Stuart Egdale on track. Apparently in the last session he didn't spin out, so I don't know, will this session be the same or will it be back to his usual ways, the Team Red Mist ways? Who knows? Understeer then. There was like
said, ladies, I'm the next Richard Branson, but got no virgins, so they sucking me in tandem. I prefer Mr. Unstoppable, and when I'm doing nothing, Mr. Impossible. I'ma lift a finger, put your mixtape in the hospital. Nurse coming closer just to witness all that I can do. 20 cc's of a double D's got me trying to clean my D with the upper teeth. Upper 3 is where I'm ranking. Offer 3 milli for the mansion. Fuck the
annoying that I fucking lost the tyre on the...
But that is the end of the day for us. All packed up now. We've done a little bit of a wander around, looked around the pits. And now we're going to do our interview at the Goodrich stand where my car is, and just wrap up the day. So that video will be on Facebook, and we'll be sharing that about. So if you want to see that, you can check that out. That'll be out in about 2 weeks, a week or two, when Ben Worth has finished it, MDB Images. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and see you around 2.
Boom!